if these battery operated trimmers, this is a Husqvarna, just wanted to show you real quick. For you guys have been asking, can it trim large shrubs, overgrown shrubs? This is the top of my shrubs. See that? There's tank. This is the top of my shrub, and this is what I'm taking off. Now I have my phone, so I will not be filming this, but just to show you, it is cutting this stuff down, guys. See that over there? Hey, Bella. There's tank. Yeah, but it is cutting it down. See that? Just want to show you guys that these things are worth the money, so look into it. I'm definitely using this. This is the Husqvarna 520i HE3. That's the one I'm using. Let me get down here. Hey. But yeah, these are my shrubs, guys. Okay. And I'm on a 8-foot ladder. So just wanted to show you guys. I'm finishing up. I did this one. And I did all of those, front and back. And now you can tell where I'm taking it off on the top. I wish I had a way to film me actually cutting it, but just believe me when I tell you, it's working like a charm. All right, guys, just wanted to show you. All right, guys, so I went to get my GoPro, and I have my head mount, so I can show you guys how this thing cut. And again, the only reason I'm telling you guys this and I'm showing you this, guys, is because a lot of people are skeptical about battery powered equipment, and I personally think that this is a money saver right here, especially when it comes to fuel. Hope I don't bust my butt. And hopefully this is situated where you can see. Okay, so you turn it on, and again, for those who don't know, man, this whole thing with battery in it is 10 pounds. 10 pounds. Oops, about to bust my butt on camera. Look at that, man. All right, take it further back. And I know I have my little Wonder ladder, but I have it in my lawn truck, and I'm at home in my backyard, and I decided just to come out here and do this. Look, I'm stretching all the way out, guys. Look at that. All right. Don't be looking at my neighbor's backyard. All right. See it? All the way around. Now I have to do this one. Why not make a video, huh? Wasn't planning on making a video today, but It is what it is. Look at that, guys. Huh? Detail. It can do detail, and it can do crazy shrubs. All right, let me cancel the video here. Hey guys, stop the barking, okay? Come on. Tank, no. I know some of you guys can say, oh, you're gonna dull the blade. That's all right. I don't baby my equipment. And then so they say Husqvarna, I saw it on the GIE page. Ambrose had it on his page, but they have one with an extended pole. Guys, I'm definitely getting that. As soon as it come out. This is where you see how equipment really work, guys. with all that editing and trying to make my videos look nice. I guess there's a time and place for everything, huh? Oh, I gotta hit the little top, and that should be good to go. But again, guys, just wanted to show you how this Husqvarna trimmer, hedge trimmer, get the job done. What's up, Bella Bella? You scared of the trimmer? All right. So there it is. I wasn't going to make a video today, but here I am making a video. And all the way around. And these are pretty tall, guys. That's a 9-foot ladder. Yeah, 9 feet. So there you go. All right, guys. Tanking better. Say bye. Say pop smoke. Pop smoke.